Now wow, this one pass Nollywood fame o. One woman carry full chest enter court accuse one man, but wetin happen next? Even judge sef no fit hide im reaction. Make I yarn you wetin really go down. So the matter start like this. Chika storm police station one morning. Dey vex say Emeka don thief her money and goods. She talk am with full confidence say na him enter her shop after closing hours carry her things. Police pick Emeka. If na your first time here, welcome to Make We Yan Tori, wey we dey break law stories for your side every day, no dulling. But Emeka shock. He talk say, "Madam, I no even near your shop that day. This thing no concern me." Case enter court. Chika come prepared though. She even bring one witness wey claim say him see Emeka around that area that night. For a moment, e be like say case don turn against Emeka. People for courtroom begin murmur. E be like say this guy don enter one chance o. But Emeka lawyer just dey smile. Na so lawyer talk. "My lord, we get something wey go help this court." Dem bring CCTV footage. As dem play am, everywhere quiet. Video show clearly say that night, Emeka no even dey the area at all. Instead, the footage begin show something else. Chika herself enter the shop later, remove some things, arrange everywhere like robbery happen. Court bursts. Judge Nosu adjust him glasses, look Chika one kind, come talk say, "So, na you plan this whole thing?" Chika no fit talk again. Even the witness begin shake. Later dem find say na arranged witness. Judge just shake head small, leave us smile. Truth dey always show face, no matter how person try hide am. Court clear Emeka of all charges immediately. As for Chika, she land herself for serious trouble because false accusation and misleading the court na offense on its own. False accusation no be joke o. If you destroy innocent person's life and still come back destroy your own, be honest o. If no be CCTV, you think say Emeka for survive this case? Drop your comment make we gist.
Make we yan tori.